Hello, welcome back to my tutorial. In this video, we will learn about the data type. So, data type is a built-in object that allows developers to create and manage the days and times. Okay, so let's create a date. Okay, it's new day. By default, when we create a new day object, the value of the daytime is the current time. So let's use the console to log it into the console window to see the value. Okay. Alright, you can see here we see the day is the 2025 April and the 7th. Okay, and also the time. But for now, my local time is different with this one. So this one is UTC time. It's not my local time. So please notice that when we show the value of the day, it will be converted into your local time, not the day that we created here. Okay, so this is the default, and we have another constructor with one parameter. We can put a number for the parameter. So this number is milliseconds. It is the total number of milliseconds since the 1st January 1971. Okay, so I just put some random number, and this may be in the 1971, I think. Okay, just run. Yeah, it's from here. And we also have another constructor that receive a string. So this is the passes day string. It is a day string containing year, month, day, and etc. Maybe the time also. So you can just copy the result below here and put here. Okay, and let's run it. Alright, you can see here we have yeah, the time exactly here. Okay, and try to change to another constructor. We have the constructor with multiple parameters. In number, the first is the year, so you can put 2025, and the next is month, maybe April, and the day 7. Okay, 7, and the hour, you can put the rest parameters, but if you don't want, you can stop here, just put the date like this. Or if you want to put the time, maybe hour, you can put if you want to, and the parameters is optional. Okay, alright, so just run it to see. Okay, we have here the time, same that we added. Okay, you can see here I put 4 for this, but here is 5. So why? Because the first month is 0. It means 0 is January, so 4 is May, not April. Okay, and for the day object, we can use a method like get the time or get the year or get day. We have too much method to get some attribute inside the day, or this method just calculates to share the information that we need. Okay, so maybe I will get the time. The time is a millisecond. Okay, it is a time since 1970. Okay, and let's run it. Okay, now you see that. Alright, I think that's all for this video, and then if you like the video, please click on the button like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.